it look like risotto to you?
Yeah, it's fine. That's enough.
Parmesan risotto.